PDF to Excel. How can I take a PDF file and then convert it into Excel spreadsheet? There's many ways we can do this conversion, but look, here I have a PDF file, there's some text here, I'm not gonna use this text, I just want to use this table right here. So I want to take this table and then bring it to the Excel spreadsheet. There is different ways I can take the table to the Excel. I'm gonna show you that maybe Control C and Control V, copy and paste, maybe not work all the time. So let's say here I'm gonna click, drag and hold. Let's say here, click, drag and hold. Okay, Control C, and then in the Excel spreadsheet, Control V. Yeah, it's not work as I planned. Let's try the second way that we can do that. So let me open the Excel in the full screen. Okay, now I'm gonna go to data and then get data from file, and then I choose from PDF. The Excel open this new window here, and then I'm gonna select the PDF I want to convert into Excel. So I select here and then I click import. Now with this new window that Excel opens to you, you can select all the informations that you have in the PDF. So here I have table 001 and the page 001. Okay, so maybe I can select the first option here just to see what's that. So yeah, okay, maybe yeah, it's right. So the table we see in the PDF file is exactly here. So let's choose the page 1 just to see what's inside here. Page 1, no, it's not what I want. Okay, so I just want to select table 001. One important thing to pay attention is here in this example, I just have two options, table 1 and page 1. But let's say your PDF file has 100 pages or many pages, okay? You're gonna have much more options in this area right here. In my case, in my situation here, in this example, I just have two options because my PDF file only have one page, okay? If I have a bigger PDF file, with much more pages, I'm gonna have much more information in this area right here, okay? So yeah, I found the table that I want to import to Excel, and then I'm gonna press load, or I can press transform data, okay? But all my data is perfectly, all the rows, all the columns, so I'm gonna just press load, and then the Excel is loading and gonna import the data to the spreadsheet. Here we have the final result. I can close this window here. Okay. There is one issue I found here. Look, here I have my table header, but the Excel table for some reason just put the header here in the first row, but it's wrong, huh? Column 1, column 2, column 3. No, it's not right. The right thing is just the second row here is the header. So I need to put the second row in the first, and I want to delete this first row here because it's not right, huh? The easiest way to do the conversion and to solve the issue, you're gonna select all the rows, Control C, and then in the new spreadsheet, you just press Control V, or you can click if the right click, and then you select past values only, okay? So you press the option, and then you click in the first row, right click, delete, and yeah, now it's everything is all right. You can select row A, B, C, D, E. Okay, let's just give a double click here to make the columns in the perfect size. And if you want to convert these informations to a table like we have in the PDF, you just need to select, click in any cell here in the data, and then you click insert table. My table has headers, yeah, okay, has headers, and then I click OK. So now you have a table in Excel that you bring from PDF. We done, we convert a PDF table to the Excel spreadsheet. I hope this video could help you, and I see you in the next one.